Hey my dolls, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Jasmine Ree, and if you're new, hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Ree. Today I'm basically just going to be going over some Sephora goodies. All the products that I did buy, I was able to create this look right here. I love it so freaking much. I think it's like, it's so summertime fun. And I also feel like it kind of reminds me of a hot Cheeto bag, so that's also cool. If you guys aren't already subscribed, please go ahead, subscribe to my channel. Yeah, so you can become a part of this relationship that I have going on over here. Like, we all in this bomb relationship, you know? If you guys end up liking this video and liking this look and liking the content, go ahead and just give it a thumbs up. Okay, I think that's about it. Let's get into these new products that I bought. I'm going to first start with my brows. I usually don't like showing this on camera because I feel like it takes so long to do. So I'm just gonna quickly do it. I am using the brow definer by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's in the shade Evan. My eyebrows just take too long because I ain't got none. So if I had some, it might have been like boop boop boop, just a little flick. But because I don't have any, I just rather do it off camera. Like I've said, I went to Sephora. I mean, I did a little bit of damage, not that much, but I did some. So I did pick up it's the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation, and I got the color Cocoa. I think it's Cocoa, and 510R. I just wanted to switch it up and try a different foundation. I really wanted the NARS one, but it was only available online. And then I had also picked up from Makeup Forever. I picked up these, and these colors are so freaking pretty. Dug my finger in it trying to like take it out so I can like reorganize it because I didn't like the color flow of this. So I just gotta leave it. It's fine because I'm not about to dig my finger in it again. These ones are basically, these three right here are shimmers, and these three are mattes. And the thing about this is really cool because you're able to pick my own colors that you're able to pick your own colors. So yeah, like I wasn't even trying to purchase this, but and just for foundation. And then of course, what really got me though was this orange one. This really pretty orange one. Like, OMGs, it is so nice. It's so nice. I love orange. Like, orange is just so pretty to me. So pretty. And then I'll do the blue one too, because the blue one also like caught my attention. Like, they're just so pigmented and juicy and real cute. So this is what I had came up with. I'm really liking it so far. So I just want to go ahead and do the other eye. I honestly, I don't know what the colors names are because they're underneath the freaking pan. Ridiculous, I forgot. But yeah, I will definitely like leave like the names below so that way you guys can know what colors I have purchased, and maybe if you guys want to create this look, you can too. I think that's really pretty red. It's like so pigmented, and I'm just going to be putting it in my crease and going back and forth. Been trying my best to work out more and eat a little bit better. My motivation right now, I won't even lie, is because I'm going to New York soon. I want to look good when I go to New York. I want to have like be able to take pictures without feeling like so like oh my god, dang that angle, or like I gotta like do all that to try and get like the look. It's like for me to never have had like a nice fit body is kind of irritating me. Like, nothing is holding me back. I got no kids, I ain't got no boyfriend. What am I doing? So you guys see my picture of me and Katie in the back? I know, I was so excited when I saw her. I don't know if I told you guys the story, but I had saw her at my job and I was so nervous. Like, I was just nervous. She so happened to walk in and I was just like, oh my god. And I like walked up to her like hecka creepy, like I know you're busy and I see you're shopping. Not cool. Like, she was like, oh no, like, you know, it was cool. Honestly, in this picture, she took it because I was like, yeah, you know, like, so awkward when you run into like YouTubers, like you just don't know what to really say, because it's like you know their life but they don't know your life. They don't even know you exist. So it's kind of like, oh, hi, you know, it's so weird. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so excited. I freaking hit 1,300. Like, wow, come a long way, and I'm so freaking grateful, because I honestly just started YouTube just because I was in a serious relationship and it like went south or north, whichever way is bad. I'm gonna use my finger first because the pigments, I don't know, it's just a lot better using your finger first, and then I go over it with the brush. But I'm using this like the orange color now. He was like my, I don't want to say everything, but like he was my everything, you know, like I did so much. I mean, I'm over it now, like I'm happy now, but like I started YouTube because of my breakup, and not knowing like really like this could be a career, or like, you know, you get paid and stuff. I mean, I don't get paid, so just to see the progress and the growth in it, it's so dope, and it's like a really rewarding feeling. I'm getting hot Cheeto vibes. What y'all think? Well, this is popping. This is cute. So another thing that the girl had got me, or because I wasn't gonna pay it yet, because I was like, nah, I need to see if this like works. I got a sample at Sephora, so she got me the Boscia, I think that's how you say it, mattifying primer. This mess is $38. I was like, come again. Ooh, it does smell good though. Like it smells like what does it smell like? It's like really refreshing, and like it smells refreshing, and it's sticky. Have you ever seen, like, you know, on YouTube, like when they be like, yeah, like it's really good because it's sticky. Yeah, I've never had that feeling before, so I'm like, I wonder what that feels like. And now I know. So I'm going to be using these two right now. I'm really excited because I don't know, I'm just really excited. It says high coverage cream foundation, effortless application, camouflages imperfection, and pigmentation, soft focus filter finish. Oh, that's cute. Like on the inside, I don't know if you can see it, but it says express your selfie. What? Oh yeah, that's right. It comes with the freaking primer. I forgot. But this girl told me for like people with drier skin, because it's really hydrating, and your girl ain't. That's just not me. Like I'm definitely oily. It's pretty lightweight. It's lightweight. And I actually color matched myself, so Sephora, you didn't do your job. I'm gonna go wet this beauty blender, and oh my god, I have a beauty blender. That's so weird to say, like, because usually if I do say beauty blender, I mean, I'll be like, I mean my makeup sponge, because I really don't have a beauty blender. It's just a makeup sponge. But now I actually have a beauty blender, so I'm gonna go do that real quick. Yeah, this is a pretty color. Oh, it does have a nice, oh, it has like a, it does have a scent. It's like a floral type of scent. Small little shader brush, and it's number 15. I'm going to dip that back into that red color and use that for underneath my eyes. I'm sorry, I'm hopping everywhere. I forgot to set my face. I didn't play that. I forgot. I can't believe I forgot. Let me just quickly use my Laura Mercier. I don't know why, but I love like warmer colors. Like I love my cool tone too, because that's why I've bought in blue and all that stuff. But it's just something about like this orange. It's like, ooh, you hot, you a Cheeto bag. Like okay, so I'm gonna hop back into the face. I know I'm kind of everywhere. Sorry. Not sorry. Using this palette right here. You guys already know that I used this before. Using this color right here. And I'm going to be using my Sigma Large Angle Contour Brush in F40. And I'm just going to be using that to contour and bronze up a little bit. I love using this. Oh, it's really nice. Like, Boom. Did you see that? Like, that was really quick. Like, your girl got snatched in like 2 milliseconds. It was like millisecond 1, millisecond 2. So I had threw on my lashes, and this is the Huda Beauty in Noelle. Those are like one of my favorites eyelashes, and I'm going to be just putting on some lip browns onto my skin. Oh my god, lip browns is like so pretty, dude. It's so nice, dude. It just makes everything look so put together, like, you know, like it complements. It's not like super like, it's like in your face. It's like, obviously you see it, but it's just so it complements your skin if you're like a dark skin chick. Like, oh my god, it's so pretty. It's a, I don't know, it's like a nude. It's like a lip gloss version of More Creamer Please. Like, it's so nice. It's in the color Sugar Mama. The only thing is that this is like, it's their vinyl, yeah, strictly vinyl lip gloss, and it's definitely one of the, like, you heard it, it's gonna be like super sticky, but it's still very comfortable to wear, and I just love, like, oh, it's so nice. And to set my face, I am going to be using the Morphe Continuous Mist Spray. Starting with like the new products, I do really like this foundation so far. I do have to give you guys like an update on it. It is very full coverage. Yeah, I'm not too sure how it's gonna last throughout the day, but I like it so far. It's really nice. It covers up a lot of my scars, and you don't even need that much. Boscia mattifying primer. I think I can't tell right now, but I like the scent of it. I liked how it was tacky. Like, I get what they meant by having like a tacky primer, how it might help like grasp your foundation. I can't tell right now, but you know, maybe in my next video I will tell you guys if I like it or not. But you know, it's cool. Don't know if it's worth $38 yet, but we shall see. This baby right here, the Makeup Forever, all the colors that I had purchased, I love them. I wish I was able to be like really creative and use like all of the colors, but I love what I had come up with. I feel like a hot Cheeto bag, which is fine. I think it looks really good. I love like the color payoff. I love how creamy they are. Yeah, I think it's a really, I think Makeup Forever eyeshadows are really nice. They are a little bit on the pricier side. I do feel like you could probably find some dupes for these colors, and like I said, like I feel like the Morphe, I think it's the 350A or B, the newer one, I'm sure you'll find these colors in there. So if this is a makeup look that you do want to create, you could definitely use that palette. The Beauty Blender, like I said, I probably wouldn't spend that much on it because I feel like there's nothing special to it. I don't know, like it's just like the Real Techniques one that's way cheaper. Like, it's not something that I feel like you guys have to go out your way to buy. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Leave comments below letting me know what of these products are your favorite, if you tried any of these products, and just letting me know in general like what's something that you guys like using. And I think that is about it. I will see you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye.